Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram keeps stopping send bug report to MI for analysis error problem on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Instagram error keeps stopping send bug report to MI for analysis, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. Just open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, just open your Instagram app and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just long press on your Instagram app, then tap on this I button. Here you can see 4 stop. Once tap on the 4 stop, tap on OK. Then you will find storage and cache. Just tap on this storage and cache. Once you have to tap on clear cache. Then go back and open your Instagram app. Now check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram keeps stopping send bug report to MI for analysis on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.